None of us can prove that we're innocent. Not under these circumstances.
That was me. At a time like this!
Oh, that was your stomach growling? I'm kind of impressed.
I'm sorry, but it's almost 3 p.m.
So it's like an alarm for snack time?
How much food do we have on board?
There's 3 days worth, possibly 5 if we very strictly ration it.
Well, hey! We managed to find some edible plants, didn't we? I'm sure we'll find some animals we can eat too! Are you with me?
Huh?
I wasn't asking your stomach!
Crazy. I guess this trip won't be so easy after all.
Can we get through this just by conserving food? I mean, Yunhua looks like she needs to eat a ton.
Dude! Luca!
Sorry. I think I'm gonna hit the hay early.
Same, I'm so beat.
Your stomach sure is vocal today.
Good, it doesn't look too deep, so as long as we bandage it, you should heal right up. Make sure you get Kitri to check it out later, okay?
No, it's fine! I swear!
I'm so sorry. I shouldn't have grabbed your hand without asking.
I didn't notice. Now I'm double embarrassed.